I'm extremely sorry, sir, but unfortunately, we've been given a clear direction towards this that we won't be able. Anubhav, sir, would you?
कौन आप लगा रहे हैं आरोप?
We can't be, unfortunately, Anubhav, sir. That statement has been declared.
हाँ, शांति से बात।
Cool. Anubhav, sir,
ये
you don't
सवाल
have.
आपका है? नहीं 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 नहीं, ये जो सवाल आपने पूछा, क्या सब वो आप फिर आरोप बताइए आपके आपके आपने सीरीज देखी है? आपने सीरीज देखी है? 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 मैं बात नहीं कर सकता आपसे, आपने सीरीज ही नहीं देखी है।
Nasir Saab, I'd like to come back to you. You and Pankaj sir go back a long, long way. And I mean, loads and loads of love and blessings to both of you. Thank you so much for being around and keep doing what you've been doing. शायद आप दोनों भूल गए होंगे आपने कितने सीन्स साथ में काम किए, कितने प्रोजेक्ट्स में साथ में काम किए, but does he still surprise you today when you meet him on set? Pankaj sir, the same question to you too about Nasir Saab.
Always, every time. That's why it is such a joy to work with him, because he's unpredictable.
True.
And you know that this is a person who's thoroughly done his preparation. And I also make it a point to be completely prepared. So it's great fun. It's like playing a set of tennis with somebody who's, you know,
Good old days of Pete Sampras,
yeah,
Andre Agassi.
absolutely, yeah. Where you envy his game and you also respect it at the same time.
Absolutely, very well explained.
And there's something else I'd like to add, that the success of IC814 gives a sense of hope to us all, I think. It would be too much of a sweeping statement to say that the audiences have grown up and all that sort of thing. But the success of movies like Anubhav's own Mulk or Thappad or several others, which were unconventional movies and which didn't pander to popular taste. All of them didn't succeed, well-intentioned and well-made though they may have been. But it definitely it gives us a sense of hope, and the fact that there are so many wonderful actors who are being discovered through OTT is also a fantastic thing.
Absolutely, a natural progression from cinema to OTT. Pankaj Saab, same question to you too about Nasir Saab.
I think I've heard such lovely, kind words from somebody I admire deeply. And I'm always, when I'm working with him, there's a sixth sense within me which is always ready to learn, to see what he's up to, what new I can learn from him, because that's the kind of respect and sort of awe I hold him in. So he has said some beautiful words for me, and I'm going to relish them for the years that there are left for me. Thank you so much, Nasir,
Thank
for
you,
that.
sir. Thank you, sir. And we will continue to relish both of you, inshallah, for a long, long time to come. Thank you so much.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.